looking at your Black life. I'm your host, Sonia. Welcome to my channel. Consider subscribing to the channel today. Thumbs up the video and share the channel. So I am back. I feel good. I feel refreshed. And this is a continuation from where we left off. It is currently January, I think it's January 5th. And yeah, so the last time we checked in, I don't think we checked in. I'm checking in today. But anyway, I'm gonna just get into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. And this is a continuation from where we left off since I've been back. I feel good, I feel rejuvenated. My mind is okay. My heart is okay. I'm still, you know, life is still lifing, but I'm here today. So join me for this journey. I think the last video I probably dropped for 2026 was what I got for Christmas and some of the things that I got from Target. So we're gonna be doing something with those things today. And yeah, let's get started. Let's get started. Whew. All right, y'all. So I have 4 areas that I'm trying to tackle, okay? So I got kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, family, TV room. So the first thing the kitchen was first. This is my list. If you guys can see that. This is my list. And I wrote this stuff down before I left for my little staycay. And I need to get this stuff done. I think it's very beneficial to get it done for the simple fact that, I don't know, I gotta get this done, okay? So for the bathroom, I'm glad you're here. So let's get with okay, it says black hand, okay. Let me show y'all the things I'm gonna let go. We're gonna get into that video right now. We're gonna just get into it. So I washed these. So this hand towel is gonna go, we're gonna take this, put this down. This is going here. Okay, because remember I told y'all. And then this is beautiful, but y'all, she needs a new home. She needs a new home. She's very pretty. But I think I got somewhere I want these things to go. So that's going there. And then this really nice hand towel. Hate to get rid of it, but it has to go. This is gonna go in this bag. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and, this is our list. We have our capsule and a bath towel, so we're gonna go ahead and put that up. All right. So guys, this will get washed before I use it, okay? Ooh, this is pretty long. I like that. I didn't never realize it was this long. You see how long that is? Wow, really long, which is cool. So this is gonna go here. I like. Yeah. Okay, now we can go ahead and start putting our other things where they need to go. Dollar General has this. I've never had the eucalyptus and mint, but we're gonna try, and we're gonna go ahead. The EOFs we're gonna put up here are gonna go in here so I can use them, so I can see them. This is also clean, so we have our clean bath mat. And yeah, and then these here done in here. It looks so clean like this, guys. You don't need a whole lot. Everything has its place. Oh yeah, so I got everything off of there. I put all of my toothpastes with mouthwash. I know that's my little body stuff. Everything has a place. I want to be able to see everything when I'm in the bathroom, so that way I can use everything. So my whole agenda is to use everything until there is no more. So that was the whole thing, and that's going to allow me to do so by putting the things in the bathroom that I need. I don't have to go in the closet and go find them. They are right here. So once they're gone, then that's when I'll find me something else. But I wanted matching towels in here, y'all. I just wanted me some matching towel sets. These are thin, easy to go in the machine, and I absolutely really like them. So on to the next project. So this is what we're wearing today. Got the black slouch socks on. One of the tees, long sleeve t-shirt, long sleeves, I don't know. Y'all know what I mean, but this is what we're working with. Oh, let me show y'all that right there. All right, guys, for the kitchen, there's a couple things. So let's get started. These, what else? Small base box. Oh, that's this. Yeah. So that's gonna go in here. So we have those. Wooden spoons. Let me tell y'all a little story about these. I was going through a tough time in my marriage some years back. This when stuff started like really unfolding. And I went to the Goodwill and I actually fell in love with these. I bought these and I just thought they were the thing. So I don't really use these a lot. I have what I have here. So out with the old. I have new things, so I'm gonna let these go, and then I'm gonna let these go too, y'all. I don't really use these. I have white little sauce things I can use to entertain, so this is just a distraction to me of extra things I have. I don't need these. And then it says cutting board. Okay, I have 3 cutting boards there, but I think it's this one. This is the one. This is the one. So all of this is gonna go because I have these here. I don't need all those cutting boards. So we're done in the kitchen. As you can see, I tackled those things. It might be scribble scrabble, but yeah. But guys, here are my kitchen items. We are now in the bedroom. So we have a few things for the bedroom. And those things are things that we're gonna let go, okay? So let's get ready to do those things. So I have things behind my door. All of these are freshly washed. So this is that's gotta go. This has gotta go. Because I have another robe that I haven't been wearing, but it's very long. I don't need these anymore. And I think I mentioned to you guys that my mom gave me a really nice. She didn't give it to me, she let me use it. So it's a nice heater. And you guys know that all of this, it's fresh. So the only thing I have to put here is my clock. So the clock will be going on the nightstand because the dresser is gonna go. So let's just get these clothes and stuff first. So the tall boots, hold on y'all, I'm gonna put y'all right here. Okay? I know some of y'all are gonna be like, girl, what? Yeah, this is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. So, I fell in love with these boots. You guys know I like these boots, but I mentioned to y'all they were only 99 cents. And there is a rip in here. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to fix it. I don't want to pay. That means I have to come out of my pocket to fix that hole. That's what we're not doing. Remember, we're not spending any money. So these got to go. And then the inside of the boots have black stuff, like somebody cleaned them. And every time I wear them, let's put our list down. Every time I wear them, black stuff gets on my shoes, socks, and on my skin. I don't want that stuff on my skin because I have to wear these now without anything. So these are gonna go. Let's see. This, okay. Oh, the robe. This beautiful robe by Natori. Beautiful robe, y'all. Very classic, very nice. Has beautiful arms. It is clean, has 2 pockets. You guys see me wear this multiple times. It's gotta go. Because like I said, I have a new robe that goes all the way down. It's actually right here. I have to put it up. So we got the boots, the pajamas. Let me see. Oh, I have a pair of jeans. So you guys remember, I haven't worn these yet. These are the vintage 90s. The 90s baggy. So under here, I have these vintage by the, I think I got these from Style Week. I thought they were 100% cotton. They're not, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and let these go as well. All of this stuff is getting donated today as we speak. Not bringing y'all with me because we don't have to do that. Whenever you bless people behind closed doors, it stays behind closed doors. It doesn't have to be shown in public, okay? So, doesn't make sense for me to have 2 wide leg similar pants. So, I'm gonna put these up. And then too, I mentioned to you all that my mom wants her wig, so I will be dropping her wig off to her. And I have to put the marble tray in the closet. So let's do that, okay? Let's do that because this dresser has to go in the, I have to do it now because, oh y'all, this is so heavy. Okay, y'all seen my coach, but marble beautiful tray, heavy as heck, is going in here. Because this is where I will be doing all my, you know, putting my stuff on. I'm thinking about another pair of jeans that may go over time. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, but y'all, this is what it is, okay? So that's how we'll do that. I think we're off to a good start for the bedroom. So what I'll do is, and this is just this is a belt. I'll put the belt down here with my pants. And yeah, guys, I can still get to everything. I'll show you guys. I'm just talking to y'all and you all can't see. But yeah, so this is what we're working with. I can easily get to this. Hopefully y'all can see. Get to this. And over time, we're gonna work on some more stuff. My sandals are currently, well, flip-flops. They are currently in the kitchen. Yeah, so I think I took something out last night for garbage. So I put those on real quick. Yeah, but guys, yeah, that is going to do it. And my purses are up here if you're wondering. So the last stop is the family room. Let's go. It feels so good in here. You guys, look, you guys can do this. You guys can do this. I wanted to make sure I put it to the other side. I enjoy doing this, y'all. I really do. Oh my gosh, it's just like a breath of fresh air. Things like You guys, I'm telling you, you guys can do this. Look at this. Oh my God, it's just so fresh, so fresh. Now, if you want me to help you, you can book me, okay? You can do that. This is gonna be easy. So we are in the family TV room. Here, the only thing I have to take out of here are these. Yes, I want my chairs to be chairs. I want my chairs to be set in without all the extra stuff. So these are gonna go in my truck. I think I mentioned to you guys before, that is where I initially bought these for. That's where they're gonna go, okay? So this is all that's in here. And maybe we'll find a new home for this, to be honest. And yeah. All right, guys, this is very awkward. So I'm showing y'all everything that's gone. Pillows in the truck. Okay. I don't even have a box to put all this in. That's going. Kitchen stuff. I have someone who this is for. All of these freaking clothes. Boots. Mom's wig. Okay. The only thing left for me to do is put the dresser in the garage, and I have to put that in the garage. I'll try to do it one day. I don't know. Maybe we'll do it together. Maybe we won't, and I'll just show y'all. But like I said, I wish somebody would come get it instead of just saying, oh, how much would you take and all that kind of stuff. Because I already let people know, and I'm not going to go down like too much, but put a lot of work into that dresser. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you took something away from it. Write you a list, make it plain, make it easy. And I think you'll understand. I think you guys understand the concept of this. You have to pare down. You have to pare down your life. You have to get clutter out. You have to get things out that hold you back, and that are some things that are sentimental that hold no like value anymore. Let it go. And yeah, free up your space, free up your life. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Always remember to do what? Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, guys. Bye. She did it.